Mustang don't want that. You want me gaps today? $100. It's a Studabaker. In 64 they offered 148 turbo setup. Only in 64 though. Pretty rare car. Yeah. No, yeah. It makes probably, I'd say probably 120, 130 horsepower though. That's all you need, ain't it? Be good, buddy. Come on. Baker Brown downtown, baby. Making it loud as hell. Shift's good. It shoots a little too early. I think I'm gonna have to put I don't know how to do that. Of course, I ain't acting like I do, but I'm gonna get a hold of Troy and see what I need to do to that governor thing that I put in. Let me back up. Had transmission done, and that's the transmission in this car. I'll put a picture. I think I got a picture. The guy didn't bend the ears over on the governor thing and goes in the side of the transmission. It takes like these little nail looking things. Well, he didn't bend them over, and they fell out and lodged on the transmission, and the thing wouldn't shift at all. I bent the ears over like you're supposed to, but the guy didn't have the springs right or something. I've got a bunch from Troy. I ain't never had them. It's already in second gear. It's in third gear, and I'm right on 10 miles an hour. See, that's second. And I'm lucky if I'm doing 15 miles an hour. Let's see if this thing comes up on here on both. I'm gonna watch this AFR a little bit. Sounds good. Might just let Holly take the wheel, huh? Sound a little nasty. This dry shaft's really close to the tunnel, because it's got Explorer rear end in it and they're offset. Pick the kids up. Uh-oh, that red light, that means one thing. Bang second pretty good. Car rides like a Cadillac. Steers really good not to have power steering. And it stops good, man. There's drum brakes on all four corners. Well, I lied to y'all. I forgot about that. It's got drum brakes on the front and disc on the back, which is kind of funny, but damn, that thing's echoing off buildings and everything else. Now if you drop her back, see, it gets out of that pocket. Of course, it's running 2,800 RPMs, too. 2,000 RPMs, that joker's wanting to talk to you. I'll roll that window down here in a second. Let me get over here and let me hit these electric windows. There we go. You can hear it now. Car gets a lot of looks. I don't think people can figure out what it is. It's so ugly. kiddos with me. And tomorrow we got a trunk or treat called Hometown Halloween. It's a car show where you give out candy. We're blessed with a really big car community here. This is a Studabaker. Yeah, that's I give him all the parts. His name's Melvin Persinger. Yeah. Tell Mike put a LS and a turbo in this one. And it's gonna be for sale here before long. Always wanted to come down here and do a hell of a burnout right here. I'm scared they'll call the cops though. Only want to drift around this thing a few times. Today ain't gonna be the day. Guy sitting on his porch over there. He eyeballing too. See him over there? Treat thing is tomorrow, but we're gonna go to a cruise in near Walmart.
What cruise?
It's like just a car cruise in.
I couldn't understand you. I couldn't hear you.
It's like a car cruise in.
Can I maybe come?
Yeah, you're coming.
Yay!
Yeah, your mom, when she gets off, she can pick you up from over there.
Okay.
Does that sound fine?
Okay. And guess what?
What?
10 more days until Halloween.
10 more days until Halloween.
A Halloween party.
Oh, your party?
Yeah.
Oh,
We're gonna have a Halloween party.
we're gonna have a trunk or treat tomorrow.
Ooh.
keep what?
You keep driving too fast. That way.
Driving too fast?
Yeah, you did on that freaking road.
Man, you better quit telling on me.
On that line, on that shirt line.
Oh.
And I turned and it kind of went turn. Look this.
Mm-hmm.
Look this.
Be a cheerleader?
I still gotta find my pom-poms in my bed. My mom lost it.
Your mama lost them. I don't see that. I believe you probably lost them.
No, my mom had them. I tried everything on it, and then I took the game from my mom, and then she put them in the living room, and now they're gone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that marks. Wait. What's that?
Yeah, that's Mark's car.
You should have
Call that baby sweet potato
You should have that.
on 24s.
You know that.
What?
You know that.
Got a what?
You know that.
Oh, I ought to buy it. I don't think it'll sell it. It's had that car a long time, man. Seen Glenn? I did too. Miss Jay's daughter.
Do a burnout in the driveway.
Burn out in the driveway.
Do it.
Hang on. Make it turn around here. Huh?
Let's do it.
You want to do a burnout or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get her lined up here. Huh? It ain't that damn loud.
Yes, it is. Ready? He's lying.
What do you mean I'm lying? Hey, dang on wheel. I ain't gonna lie about doing no burnout. I never do a burnout with y'all? Alright. Ready? You want one? Huh?
Yeah.
You ready? I love that smell. Do you?
I hate it.
You don't like that smell?
I like it.
Huh?
Smells like jerky.
It smells like jerky.
This smells horrible. No, don't. Smells like jerky.
Smells like jerky.
Oh!
What are you doing?
Could you maybe get our
Don't come up here and squish my cup.
Why I want to.
Hmm?
Why I want to.
I know the neighbors love me.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You little turds.
Oh! You got that out. It smells like jerky.
That rubber on the garage, man.
Ew!
What? That's just part of it, man.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.
There you go.